Hi, my name is Kim Cullen, and I'm a personal injury attorney in Winter Park, Florida. This is part 3 of a 3-part series about how to help people choose the right personal injury attorney for them. In part 1, we went over speaking to family and friends to get referrals and about how important that could be or is. In part 2, we talked about doing research on the attorneys. And now this is part 3, the last video of the series, where we're going to talk about what to do once you've done your research, gotten your list of names, and what to do from that point on. My best advice after you have your lawyer list selected and after you've done your research is to actually go meet with an attorney. So you want to call the law firm and see if you can set up an appointment. And the difficulty that you might or might not have in setting up an appointment to actually speak to an attorney could tell you a lot about the law firm that you're potentially dealing with. Some law firms, particularly the ones that are huge, very infrequently allow clients to meet with attorneys early in a case. Usually they send a case manager or a paralegal or somebody like that, and they might even send them to your home, so it's very convenient. However, it's not the same thing as speaking to an attorney. So you want to see if you can get an appointment to meet with your attorney or the attorney that you might be hiring. Once you meet with the attorney, you want to make sure that you're in a comfortable environment with them, and you just want to then get a feel for the attorney. Is he or she easy to speak with or talk to? You're going to have to sometimes discuss some sensitive details about your life, so you want to make sure you feel really comfortable with the person that you're going to be dealing with. You want to make sure that the attorney is patient with you and listens to what you're saying, like really listens to what you're saying. And then you want to make sure that your attorney answers every question that you have. So you don't want someone that's rushing you through a meeting or someone who seems distracted or has other things to do. You want to make sure that your attorney is going to spend the time that it's going to take to get to know you, because getting to know you is going to be the best way for that attorney to maximize the value of your case. An attorney who doesn't really know the facts of the case or doesn't really know their client is not going to be able to get the same result for their client as someone who really knows the client, really has a feel for the injuries and how they've affected the client's life and that sort of thing. So the third piece of advice that I have for you is get to know your attorney, make sure that you can get access to your attorney, and then just see how it feels. If you meet with 2 or 3 attorneys, and you're bound to get some sort of different feel from each attorney as to how they might relate to you. And that's the most important thing, is to make sure that you get someone you can feel comfortable with that's going to do a good job for you. So if you have any questions about choosing an attorney after you've watched the 3 videos in this 3-part series, please call me or my law partner, Robert Hemphill, at 407-254-4901.